Yeah, they're right there.
Hey, hey! Stop! Stop! Oh, David. Now, do you want her to feed through the gate?
Yeah, just bring them over here. No, you stay here, Gene. You stay on this side. You don't need to be on that side.
Come here, Cow. Well, don't hang on to it for dear life.
Well, the other one isn't getting.
Come
He'll
here.
get some.
Come on, girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
Boy.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Mama, just put it in a mouth.
Yeah, don't put your fingers in the mouth.
You feed him, I'll feed him.
Is that good? Now I'm getting the hang of it. How can you see, baby? Huh? You got hairs in your eyes.
She'll step back a second.
Yeah. Hey. You got hairs in your eyes. And you're pretty. You got a brown nose.
Watch your hand on the railing
Don't
there.
leave your hand hang on the rail.
Oh.
It will get munched.
She hasn't gotten, he has. Okay, come on. There you go. Come on. Hey, baby.
Skittish from the camera.
He'll get used to it. Ben's like, hey, I'm a star.
Oh, Ben, you're a mess.
Should I go get the brush?
No, we'll do them tomorrow.
Mama, feed him.
Well,
He'll get them.
oh, that's just like dropping it down a pit. More. More. Baby. Some more. Hey. Oh, he doesn't like that, does he?
Come here, bud.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, good stuff.
Hey, hon. Hon.
Do you chew them? Do they chew them? Oh, you just eat everything. Look at that long tongue.
Now you know why it goes in soup.
Exactly.
Here. Want some more treats? Oh, you're pretty. Come on, buddy. Okay.
This is Ben.
Okay, Ben.
That's Jerry.
Okay, Jerry. Give me a minute. Yeah, I'm doing it. You're still chewing.
That.
Oh, I'm sorry. These are getting smaller. What do they do? Do they taste good?
Oh, yeah.
They must.
Cake. All right, that's good. We'll lock down the thing.
Hey, you're good looking.